With CloudFiles' test drive, you can explore all of CloudFiles' powerful features. No installation and no setup. Just a couple of clicks and you're in. In this test drive, you'll see how CloudFiles document generation generates customizable documents from Salesforce records using templates built in Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. The process takes less than a minute. We'll create a new contract by selecting an account and filling in various fields. After saving, we'll use the document generation component to choose a template and generate a document in your preferred format. You can then copy it to Salesforce files or download it locally. This workflow automates manual work, reduces errors, and keeps contracts professional and ready to share in just a few clicks. To get started, head over to the Salesforce App Exchange and search for CloudFiles. Navigate to the CloudFiles Document Generation app. Click on Try It Free. Proceed to try it in a testdrive.org. Fill in your basic details to proceed. Continue to the test drive and start the test drive. And with that, we're ready to go. To generate customizable documents from Salesforce Object records, start by navigating to Contracts. Here, create a new contract within the account's name field. You have the option to either select an existing account or create a new one. Fill the Customer Signed By field and choose Customer Signed Date. For the contract image URL, a public image URL will suffice. In the Price Book field, search for the CloudFiles Price Book. Then, select a contract start date and a contract term in months. Once these steps are complete, click on Save. After your entries are saved and the new contract is created, proceed to the CloudFiles document generation component on the record. This is where you can view the various templates configured for the contract object. Click on the drop-down menu to generate either a PDF or a DOCX file. Upon the creation of your contract, you can copy it to Salesforce files or download it for viewing on your local PC. The document will contain all the contract details, including the account name, contract start and end dates, the price book information, customer signed by, and the date of creation. This implementation was carried out by adding a customizable document generation component to the CloudFiles widget configured for the contracts object. Take the test drive today and see what true document automation feels like.